Welcome to another daily meditation. So start by finding your seat, sitting with your back upright but comfortable, with your hands in your lap, and close your eyes. And now notice how you are feeling today. Notice any feelings, mood, emotion you are bringing into the practice today. Did you just wake up? Just finish work? Just finish speaking to someone? Are you bringing any positive, negative, or neutral emotions into the practice today? See what mood you're able to sense. Even subtle moods that aren't that obvious to you, such as irritation, satisfaction, tiredness. Is there a physical place where you notice this mood or feeling most? Is there any resistance to this mood or feeling? Any conflict it brings? Any thoughts, images, phrases it seems to bring up? See if you can notice this feeling or mood as if it were separate from yourself. See if you can watch this mood without judgment. And now let's bring our attention to the physical sensations and physical points of contact. Let's start by noticing our weight on the floor or chair. Notice the physical points of contact your body's making, such as your feet, your hands, your back. Just place your awareness on these sensations for a few moments. And see if you can notice any other physical sensations here, such as itches, tingling, temperature. And now let's bring our attention to the breath. We're not changing the breath or fabricating any sensations here. Just noticing the sensations of breathing as we notice them. Maybe you notice the cool air coming in through the nose and warm air coming out through the mouth. Maybe you notice the rising and falling sensations of each inhale and exhale. Maybe you notice these sensations in your chest or stomach. And when a thought arises, we don't want to follow anything with thinking. And now in the final minute, let go and allow the mind to do what it wants. And now open your eyes. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next daily meditation. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.